excited to share another set of videos. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, feel free to subscribe to that. This is Saravanan Balakrishnan. In this video, I'm going to talk about why interest rates in India will increase from here. Most of us are very happy in stock markets because the interest rates are almost low and the stock markets are going up every day, almost incrementally from last March till date. So now if you see this chart, you can actually see the interest rates are almost 14.5% in the year 2000. And the last time when we have seen similar interest rates was in 2004 as well as in 2009-10. So where you can actually see this area where the interest rates is almost at 4.4 to 4%, 4.5%. So now, due to lockdown, the RBI has kept the rates low to benefit the small and medium enterprises. But what I see is this rates will start going up, and also again, once it starts going up, the interest payment of companies will also increase and resulting in decreased profitability. Right, and companies that are again relying on foreign debt, it might become even more costlier. So I think I would recommend you to stay cautious in playing with financial companies, especially the low quality ones that are small cap as well as they are highly leveraged. So where when the rate cut cycle turns into rate hike cycle, most of these companies will come under severe pressure. So I hope you are cautious in stock markets and like I think in the next 12 to 18 months the rate hike is highly likely, and at least this number will go up by zero point 0.5 to 1%. That's highly likely in the next 18 months. So stay safe, and I hope you find this video helpful. And please feel free to subscribe to my channel and drop your comments what you think about the current interest rates in India. And this is the one that's set by RBI, not the bank housing loan or personal loan interest rate. This is the RBI interest rate. So I hope you find this video useful, and let's see like how this thesis of ours plays out in the next 18 months. Thank you so much.